Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no GPS signal lost in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on battery and then click on power saving settings. Scroll down and here you can see the option screen battery optimization. Now click on it, and if you turn on your screen battery optimization, then turn it off. After turn off this button, then go back and click on system and update, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then in last you can see the option erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.